Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your QuickBooks Desktop to online, then this video is for you. If you want to change your desktop application to, you want to switch to your online version of QuickBooks, and you want all of your data that's automatically switched to your QuickBooks, and how you can do it you don't know, then I'm here to solve this issue. So first thing you have to do is go to the quickbooks.intuit.com. You can go to the global service here. So once you are on the QuickBooks, first thing you have to do is purchase the subscription from here. So I'm going to select my country's region. So you can select it by simply click on here, and once you have selected confirm your country, then you can switch to your expected location here, visit the US site here. So I'm going to say visit the site from here. So if I just scroll down here, so here it is not available here, so I'm going to go back, and from here let me show you something. That now from here you have to choose your plan. So like here you can select your plan, so you can find lots of details that what you will get when you have purchased this plan from here. You can find a 4 plan from here, like Simple Start, Essentials, Plus and Advanced. Once you have selected the plan, you can also enjoy a 30 days free trial from here. So once you have purchased the plan here with your checkout method or the payment method, then you will be able to find the dashboard and log into your credentials. So you have to log into your exact same account what you have used on your QuickBooks desktop. So once you have logged in, then you have to scroll all the way down, or you can find like separate here, like learn and separate, where you can find the chat separate here. So simply click on chat separate, or you can contact separate here. So simply click on contact separate. So QuickBooks representative actually allow you to transfer or migrate all your information or your data from your desktop to your online QuickBooks version. So you just don't need to anything. You have to simply click on this QuickBooks Online and ask the question that you want to transfer all the data from your QuickBooks desktop to your online, or you can call them from the separate section. You can go to separate, and there is the online calls here. Like you can scroll down and you can find their numbers here, or the call. You can also book a call. So you can book a call, or you can send a message just like this through this support center. Once you have sent the message that you want to migrate, they will contact you as soon as possible, and they just ask for all of your files that related to QuickBooks, all the QuickBooks files and your company files or the details files. If you have more files, as more as file you have, you can transfer the file to that representative, and the representative will do the rest of things. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to customize each and every part of your QuickBooks from scratch. The representative will help you to manage your QuickBooks. Or other thing you can do is you can log into your QuickBooks a brand new dashboard. Then you can call or you can contact a representative from QuickBooks. They will help you or instruct you each and everything how you can manage your QuickBooks, all the books as a bookkeepers or accountant. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.